guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to replace the battery of a Pokemon Yellow game. It's a Game Boy game. Let's first go over it. I'll try to show you that it's not saving at the moment. So what happens is these batteries get really old, and after a time you need to replace them so that you can still save the game. Let's go over this menu real quick. Okay. Let's walk a bit, turn on the PC, get a potion. Okay. And let's save the game. Okay, now let's turn off the Game Boy, turn it back on. And now you see that the save game isn't there. So, yeah, let's try to fix that. So you will need a Gamebit tool or bit. You can open the cartridge with it. Okay, let's see. You can just slide down the front cover. Like that, and there we have the inside and the battery. So this is the old battery that we will be replacing. Okay, so just grab a soldering iron, make sure it's hot, and just put it on the tab and let it go a bit until it loosens up, and do the same for the other side. Okay, that's come off. That's the old battery. Okay. Now if you want, you can remove the old solder. I did that here, but yeah, I don't think that it's really necessary to do it, but it doesn't hurt either. Okay, so when you're done, it should look something like this. Let's clean it a bit with isopropanol. Okay, let's just grab one of these batteries. You can find these on eBay or, you know, any other website. They're really cheap. Okay, let's put on the new battery. These ones need to be folded a little bit, so you can just flatten the things that are sticking out. Just position it correctly. Here I'm using a bit of, what's it called? Yeah, I forgot the name. I'll come up with it. Flux. Yeah. Okay, just add solder to the pads. place the battery in the correct position, and then just make sure it connects. These batteries are a bit bigger than the other ones, but it should still fit easily. Okay, when you're done, it should look something like this. Now let's try to put the cartridge back together. Just put back the PCB the way it was. Then you can close it up and slide it upwards. Okay, put the screw back in. And after that you're all done. I will show you it working one more time. Okay, so I saved the game here. Now we turn off the Game Boy, turn it back on. And you should see a saved game here. And there it is.